Hello everybody. Today's video is one because someone commented in the comment section of one of the videos about my new Carrera GTS with the RS Spyder wheels. The question was, hey, can you take those wheels off and weigh them? How much do they weigh? I have no idea. I originally, when the person asked me, I'm like, no, there's no way I'm going to do that. And I looked on the website and sent them the thing, and the response was, the website is not accurate. And I thought that would be something easy to find, but I spent some time trying to look it up, and I couldn't. So we're going to find out how much do these RS Spyder wheels weigh, and we'll compare them to the Carrera S Classic wheels that are on my 991. Okay, let's go to the garage to figure it out. Actually, I should clarify. We're going to find out how much these Spyder wheels weigh with the tires on. These tires have 2,100 miles on them approximately. And the equivalent tires on this Carrera S are similar in mileage. The rears have more, the fronts have less. But so there's going to be error in this judgment, and I'm hoping these are 17 or 18. These are different. Oh, dude, they're different sizes. Oh man. Okay, let's figure this out. So my 991, this one takes a 18 millimeter, and this one takes a 17 millimeter. This is what I bought when I had that 996. So odd. The 997 and this both use 997 and 991 both have 18 millimeter lug nuts. My 996 and this 992 have 17 millimeter. So I'm going to break them all loose while the car's on the ground, then I'll jack it up, take the wheel off, and then I'll break out the bathroom scale. Something I used to do, which was really dumb, is I used to pull it up, and now I just lean on it. Get my jack. I thought I'd point out the jack point. Just perfect clearance. If I had a GT3, I would need a different jack. Or I'd have to double jack it, because I do have one low jack, but okay, nothing special. All these wheels are so dirty. Oh no, they're heavy. Let me get my bathroom scale. I do want to take a moment and notice that this is a really beautiful brake rotor assembly. I don't recognize what this, oh, it's got like a little shield. I don't remember. It's like machined. Must be from the way that they cast. That all looks like cast parts. Oh, and I can see the cute turbo right there. It's not even that big. Oh my god. And it's plastic charge piping. Very interesting. Very interesting. And something else I can see, which is this brake duct cooling pipe. That's probably all part of that. I don't know if we'll find out if that's on the S. I don't think it is. Okay, I need some gloves because I didn't wash the car or the wheels first. So I'll put these gloves on. We'll find out how much I weigh. I think I weigh about 158 pounds, but you never know. My weight is 160.8. Let's see. It says 64.4, but let me try it a different way. Oh, I think I got too much off on the side. Hold on. I'm okay if that's the number. We just need to get the same number twice because the ground is not flat in my garage. Okay, that's flat. Really? Oh, no, 63.4. Okay, so we're gonna live with that. Okay, so let's see. I weigh 155, 160 pounds. 159.6. The tire. $63.4. Okay. Now part of me does want to like really clean the wheel, but part of me is like, no, I have to be somewhere in 2 hours. Gotta go pick up the little boy. Today is banquet day for my son's elementary school graduation. And for those of you commenting that I should be using some rod, you guys are lame. Just shouldn't be doing barefoot, but the trick is toe technique. Okay, toe technique. That's the toe technique. It ain't pretty, but that's it. We're gonna do the other one. Do the back of my Carrera. We'll just compare the rear tires. Look how dirty it is. Oh, that's such a shame. The car looks clean. The red is just so bright. The car just looks clean, but the wheels tell the truth. Normally, wheels are supposed to be torqued at 96 foot-pounds. I'm going to double check if it's anything special for this car. It might be 100, I don't know. Stand by. Well, it's a good thing I looked it up. So my 997 was 96 foot-pounds, but anything after 2011, it's 116. So this one is 116, and this one's 116. Sorry, my garage is a mess, and I know I'm living dangerously leaving these scooters that could tip over at any time. Okay, that's an interesting thing I just learned. So there's this plastic piece on the bottom of the GTS this car doesn't have, so this space here is different. This gives an illusion of being lower. But in pictures it looks like it's higher because it's black. I don't know, just one of those things. Who the fuck put wheel locks on this car? I needed the wheel lock. I don't know, same brake duct. A little more worn out. Okay. Did you see that? Hold on, I gotta do that again. You see that? 54.8. These Carrera Classic wheels are 10 pounds less weight. Holy smokes. The toe technique. Yeah, brother. Same 116 torque spec. GTS versus S, 991 versus 992. Okay, so it's like that. What was that? 64 pounds for the RS Spyder wheels, 54 pounds for the Carrera Classics on my 991. That's a 10-pound difference. Times 4 wheels, that's 40 pounds. Maybe in another video I'll do the front ones, but I'm running low on time. I made this video special for you, so enjoy. I'll have to wash up, get in the car, and go meet the little boy. Little boy's graduating. Not graduating. It's kind of like a pre-graduation party for the elementary school, and he's dressed really nice, so I'll pick him up in the red car. Gotta remember to put this stupid thing back. Oh, let's see, where's this thing? And that's what that one is. I don't know what this one is. Oh, can fix flat. There you go. Thank you again. I just discovered the gear ratio is different in this car than in my 997, which is expected, but in the 997, 3,000 RPM and second gear was 30 miles an hour, 4,000 RPM was 40, 7,000 RPM is 70. This car, when I go to 4,000 RPM, it's off by 10%. So that'd be 77 miles an hour. This car's fast. I don't know.